Today, we are going to be turning off the system beep sounds that are activated by default on your vSeeBox. First, go to System Settings. Then go to Device Preferences. Next, go to Display and Sound. Lastly, go to System Sounds and press OK, turning the option off. That's it. No more annoying clicking sounds.